Hello everyone, this is Kate Kisane and I welcome you to my channel Meraki Women. To all my viewers, I'm meeting you almost exactly after a month. I had taken a small hibernation because I just wanted to think through some answers and now things seem to have fallen in place. So that's why I'm here with some renewed energy. Now, before I jump on to today's topic, here's one question. And I don't want that answer to myself. I don't want you to comment on in the comment section below. I just want you to answer that question honestly for your own self. Because honestly, no one cares. No one really cares unless you care for what really matters to you. But the problem is, do you really know what matters to you? Because there's so much of noise around that we ourselves don't know what really matters to us. And then begins the head versus heart dilemma. Well, is there a thumb rule to whether to follow your heart or to use your logic? The only thumb rule here is that there is no thumb rule. What works right for you with intuition may not work for me in that given situation. What works for me logically may be wrong for you in that given situation. Well, then, how does one decide? The cue is your inner voice. See, humans have been gifted with this gift of logic and intuition, both, right? Both have their place in the scheme of things. You can't just claim one part of the gift to be wrong and one part of the gift to be right. Logic and intuition both play an important role, but it is only your inner voice that can guide you to choose according to that particular situation. Because the answer to what you want lies within. What can be right for you need not be necessarily right for me in that given situation. It's only your inner voice that knows, that truly indeed knows what matters to you and what you are seeking. The way to access this inner voice is meditation. Meditation is one profound method in which will help you access this extremely treasurable gift called inner voice. You can look up for many techniques. You can just Google them. I personally follow the one that Sadhguru teaches. So, moving on to my question for today, attempt it after understanding what I've tried to say until now. Okay. Imagine you have only 24 hours beginning right now. Okay. What is that one thing that you will really truly want to accomplish in these 24 hours? It can be anything. Spending time with your loved one, doing that adventure sport that you wanted to do, cooking that favorite pie, or taking that test drive in your favorite car. It can be anything under the sun, just that it has to be one thing that you would want to accomplish in these 24 hours. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the whole scenario. Did you really feel that adrenaline? Did you really feel that jump of happy hormones trying to do what you really love to do? Trying to accomplish what really matters to you in that limited span of 24 hours? That is a cue to what really matters to you. See, the only way you can make a difference in this world is by doing what you can do and not by doing what you cannot do. If doing what you love to do gives you happiness, it is the only way to make a difference in this world. And the method to do that is to tune in to your inner voice. Finding your inner voice, meditating for minimum 15 minutes a day. Make this a part of your daily routine. So, yes, that is about it for today. Please give this a thought. Okay, maybe it's like too much for a Sunday afternoon when you have had your favorite biryani and you just want to sleep. But just give this a thought. Maybe it will really make a difference to your life and help you find the meaning that you really are looking for. And and I'm happy about being back and connecting with you guys once again. From now on, we can meet each other once again every Sunday. And if you like my channel, if you like the kind of content that I make, then please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share it with as many people as you can, so that we can together help each other become a better version of one another. All right, bye, take care.